Hello, everyone. I wanted to go over a couple of things from week 3 on lift and then talk about the quiz right quick. First of all, on calculating the stall speed, I gave you this equation. Stall speed is equal to the square root of 295 times lift divided by CLL max times the density ratio times the surface area. So you have everything. All you had to do was read from the chart here off CLL max, which you'll get is around a 1.3. If you took a ruler and looked at the top of the curve here, went straight over, you'd read 1.3. So it was pretty straightforward. You just have to pay attention to how you compute this. So you want to multiply 295 times the lift. Lift is equal to weight, 20,000 pounds. And then divide that by CLL max, so 1.3 times 0.7385 times 340. And then take the square root of that value, and you should get something around 133, 134 feet per second to determine the stall speed. The answer to Bernoulli's equation for subsetting flow states, it is none of the above for Bernoulli. So I wanted to briefly go over that. And then this week you have a quiz. It's going to cover modules 1 through 4. It is open book and open notes. It needs to be completed individually by you by hand. So you're going to see when it opens up on Friday at 8 o'clock. It's due by Sunday 11:59 p.m. You need to print that quiz out and complete it by hand, and then scan it and upload it to submit it into Canvas. There's also a signed consent on there that you completed the quiz by yourself on your own and without any help from any other students or faculty. This is my way to ensure we can do this quiz hopefully ethically and honestly without doing a proctored quiz somewhere on the college where you all have to show up and I have to show up and we have to proctor the quiz. So a little bit of a trust factor here, but just trusting that you all complete it by hand. This is a pretty busy week this week. As I said, this is a fast track course, so things are moving quick, and sometimes some of the weeks there's more work than others, and week 4 is one of those weeks because you have to still do the homework assignment and then complete the quiz. So don't wait until Sunday to get everything done, because it's going to be a lot of work to do all the homework problems and the quiz at the same time. So I would recommend that you go ahead and get the homework out of the way this week. That way on Friday and Saturday and Sunday, all you have to worry about is completing the quiz. There's not any surprises on the quiz. It's just to ensure that you understand what I think are the most important parts from modules 1 through 4. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Have a great week, and thank you for your time. Bye-bye.